everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I recently saw Ponniyin Selvan 1 and 2 both, and I was totally awestruck by Aishwarya Rai's beauty. I mean, she's already so pretty, and then with all her jewelry and silk and hairstyles and everything, I mean, she was looking magnificent. I mean, I just love Aishwarya Rai in these kind of looks, whether it is Devdas or Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, and now this Ponniyin Selvan, she looked absolutely breathtaking. And since then, I had this inclination that I want to recreate this look. So here I am, I've recreated the whole look, and I just love how this whole look has turned out. So basically in this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth makeup, jewelry and hair tutorial on recreating the look of Aishwarya Rai from Ponniyin Selvan. So I really hope that you have fun watching this. So without any further ado, let's get started. To begin with, I'll be using the Proush Say No Pore mattifying primer. I do have a porous skin, so that's why these pore filling primers work really well for me, and this one from Proush is really good. So I'll be applying it on, like, all over face nicely. I do this step in advance so that my skin can easily absorb the primer and just create a really flawless base when I start my foundation routine. In this look, I'll first do my eye makeup and then move on to the base makeup. So I'm taking the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 130 N medium. So this is a slightly lighter color, but I want to pick a lighter color only. After I've applied it on the entire eyelid, I'm taking a flat brush and making sure that I've created a seamless eye base on my eyes, because if the base is not right, then any eyeshadow will not look really good. I want a very neutral brown eyeshadow, because there's really not a lot of eye makeup on Aishwarya Rai. It's just the eyeliner that's popping out. So I also want to highlight that only. So I'm using this like really nice brown color, and I am going to blend it a lot. Like, you really need to blend it a lot. I've got all these products from Amazon only. They have this great sale running, and also they have their global beauty store inaugurated, which has all the exciting products. I've already shopped a lot, and a lot more is on the wish list. Now I've taken this really slight glitter color from the Maybelline City palette, and I'm just going to apply it on the inner corner. For this particular video, I am going to focus on the drugstore products on only, because I wanted to make a very affordable tutorial. Then I'm taking this liner from Root Cosmetics. I am telling you guys, this is the best pen eyeliner I have used till date. So this eyeliner is going to be thick and slightly winged, just like how Aishwarya Rai is spotting it in the movie. Then I'm using a nude kajal pencil on my eyes, because Aishwarya has got really big eyes. So to create an impression, I've also used nude. Avoid using white because that can look artificial. At this point, I'm stopping my eye makeup and concealing the dark circles and all the other dark spots on my face. Because we are recreating a heavy Indian traditional look, I want to go all out. So you will see me applying a lot of base products, and the reason is, again, we are creating a heavy look, and of course I'm trying to imitate a Bollywood celebrity's look. So you want your makeup to be flawless, so I've applied a lot of concealer wherever it is needed, and then I'm just going to buff it really well. The secret with a flawless makeup always lies in the blending of it. You have to make sure that there's no creasing, there's no extra product, and whatever is there on the face, it's really well blended. So after I'm done blending this concealer, I will now take my foundation, which in today's case is the Lakme 925 foundation in the shade N200 Neutral Nude. So this is a beautiful foundation, really affordable, and I got this from the Amazon sale at, I think, a 40% discount. So I've actually got this foundation only for 250 rupees, and I use it the most for my tutorials, for my personal life. I think the Lakme 925 range is absolutely great. Again, I've applied one layer of foundation, and I'll immediately start blending it with the the blender that I have. If you want, you can use a brush, but I'm someone who's very comfortable using the blender, and I love this one from Sigma. It has a flat end to it, and it has pointed conical shape, so around the eyes and everything, it's just like a really well designed blender, I would say. after I applied my first coat, I felt I could do with a little bit more of foundation. So yes, I'm not shying. I just applied a little more of foundation and I started blending it again. If your blender is slightly damp, it will always work in your favor because then your base will look even more flawless. Again, all these products I got, these products that I got from Amazon, they are at an amazing discount. So it's the best time to stock your cosmetics and beauty requirements. Now to nicely seal all the base products applied up until now, I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Fix. You can use any makeup fixer that you prefer. I've also, included a lot more options of makeup fixer in the Amazon store, the link of which is mentioned in the description box below. So after like waiting a few seconds, I just go over with the blender again so that by any chance if there is any place where the foundation was not applied properly, or if there was any mark or anything, it would just be covered. Now I'm taking the same concealer that I applied as an eye base and I will be using it under my eyes, and you will see the way it will brighten up my eye. I mean, the concealer did the concealing part, but they were still looking a little sunken, and of course I'm recreating Aishwarya Rai. No chances to take. So like just look how lively they start looking. So these small makeup steps and these small makeup tricks, they really help a lot. I am going to do heavy contouring, and by heavy I mean Aishwarya has not done a lot of heavy contouring, but my face, I mean, I've recently gained a lot of face fat and I just want to look a little more chiseled, so I'm going to do contour, and then to enhance it even more, you apply the highlighter opposite the contour so that your contour and the whole 3D dimension of your face looks even better. So it's just like this technical makeup things that I'm doing to make sure that the end result comes out really nice. And after like I'm done with all the blending, I think I'll avoid the nose contour because I don't feel I need it. This one highlight thing will do the trick. Now I'm taking the Lakme 925 blush. So this is a really pretty shade. I take a big brush to apply my blush, and if you notice, my angle is slightly upwards. This enhances the contours of your face. I don't apply a round blush, I apply an upward blush. Now for my eyebrows, I'm taking this pack eyebrow gel, and because it is slightly dried, I'm taking the duo fold by pack only. You just need one drop and you can revive any gel product that you have. And then to apply it, I'm using this Proush brush for eyebrows. I mean, this is the best brush and I don't think I'm ditching it ever. So Aishwarya has got really fine arched eyebrows, and that has a major role to play in her looks. So I'm taking a lot of time doing my eyebrows, shaping them and making sure that the arc is proper, they are nicely filled. So eyebrows can actually make a lot of difference, and this product from PAC is actually a great product, and also this brush is amazing. So once I am done with one eyebrow, what I'm going to do is I'll take a very small flat angular brush, not angular actually, I'll take a very small flat pointed brush and apply it just on the arc of the eyebrow. This is a step that we do to enhance the eyebrows even further, when you want that really raised eyebrow look. So I'll be applying it below the arc and above the arc, and then slightly blend it so that it gives me that look of a raised. So this is how I will groom my eyebrows in this particular look, and I'm telling you, eyebrows are so important. They just bring the whole look together. Then I'll be applying this MAMAEARTH Lash Curl Volumizing Mascara. So Aishwarya was not wearing falsies in the entire movie. I like observed it really closely because she has really nice lashes, and I'm also going to skip wearing the lashes. I'll just coat them really nice with the mascara. Then I'll apply the fixer again, and this time I'll not wait it to dry. I'm taking my baked highlighter from Swiss Beauty and applying it on the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose, on the forehead, on the cupid's bow, and this time I'm making sure that the highlighter is very subtle. In the entire look, the highlighter is there, the glow is there, but it's not chunky, it's not out there, right? For the lipstick, I'm actually going to mix two colors. One is the cinnamon spice from Just Herbs. This was my Amazon discovery. I am telling you, I am such a fan of this lip color. Like it's a beautiful shade of brown, and especially like for an everyday wear brown, this is perfect. Then I'm taking this Lakme Lip Mousse Nude Sensation. This is their latest launch. So I am going to create an ombre, because if you will see Aishwarya's look closely, her lips do have an ombre, darker on the outside and slightly lighter on the inside. So I'm just trying to create a little bit of ombre. And with this we are done with the makeup, and now coming the most important part, which is jewelry. So most of my jewelry is from Zaveri and Priyasi. So I've taken this really nice temple jewelry set, like a choker. Aishwarya is actually wearing layers of neck pieces. So I've taken this one, and then the other one is again from Zaveri. It is a pearl necklace that I've taken. The beauty is that I got all these pieces at fabulous discounts. I mean, if you just look at the finish and the overall designing, it is magnificent, and I just got it at really good discounts from the sale. Now I'll be applying this Mang Tika. This one is from Priyasi. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is the only thing that I have to say about it. The finish, the designing, everything is just perfect. So I'll just make sure that I apply it really nicely. I'll wear my rings, I'll wear the earring and everything, the jewelry is what brought this look together. For my hairdo, you can see Aishwarya has got really loose hair, coming above the ear, so I'm trying to do something like that. Red bindi was a constant in all her looks, and she was wearing nose pin on both the sides. And this is the final look, guys. I mean, I like it. I really, really like it. And the beauty of this look is that I've created this look using all the drugstore products. And this jewelry also is very, very affordable because it was, sourced at such a great discount. So I think you can create expensive looks with drugstore products only if you know the right places to find your products from, and also the right makeup techniques. So yeah, this is the final look, my friends. Creating this look was so much fun. I mean, everything was going so smoothly, and because I had all the things like well organized in advance, creating this whole look was actually a very smooth process. I just love, love, love how it has turned out. And once again, I would like to compliment this jewelry. I mean, it is looking absolutely stunning. So you should also check out the whole makeup and the jewelry collection that I talked about in this video. And of course, I really hope that you like this video. Whatever your feedback is, do write it in the comment section below. I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.